Hey everyone, if you want to share your Glasp highlights with friends, classmates, or your team, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to share highlights in Glasp step by step. First, sign into your Glasp account and open your library. This is where all of your saved highlights and notes are stored. Next, find the highlight you want to share and open it. Once it's open, look for the share option or the share icon on the page. Now, click the share button. Depending on the available features, you can copy a shareable link or share your highlight through the supported options shown on your screen. If your highlights have privacy settings, make sure they're set appropriately before sharing. If a highlight is private, you'll need to change its visibility if you want other people to access it. After copying the link, paste it into an email, message, or social media post to share it with others. Anyone with the proper access will be able to view the shared highlight. You can always return to your library later to update, remove, or stop sharing a highlight if your sharing preferences change. And that's it. Now you know how to share highlights in Glasp and collaborate more easily with others. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.